There are many ways to install items into your CrazyTalk Animator for easy access. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and most efficient route to get the items that you could get from toontitan.com permanently installed into your CrazyTalk Animator software. So once you have downloaded the product, the stylizers here, you're gonna open them up. You're gonna see that there's 30 of them in all. And let's go back to our CrazyTalk Animator window here. You'll want to be under the Content Manager, the Template tab, navigate to the Props section, and right-click on the header, the thing that says Prop Template, select Find File. This is going to bring us directly into the folder where all your items are installed. If you already know where this folder is located and you don't want to go through this procedure, then feel free to do it manually. I'm only demonstrating it this way because it's the most sure way of getting it done without having to, investigate too much stuff. So in this folder, here we are inside of the template folder. And everybody's installation could be different. Mine is installed under the F drive because that's where I chose to install my product. So in this case, we're in the base template folder, okay? And here we'll see a folder called props. We'll go inside of that. And if you haven't done so already, then go ahead and create a new folder. Call it Toon Titan. This will make things easier to find later on down the road. We'll go inside of that folder, and let's go ahead and create another subfolder called maybe color, because there's different types of stylizers, and aside from hair, there's also clothing, there's skin stylizers, there's all sorts of stuff. So we're going to be able to put those inside of this color folder. We're going to go in there, and now we're going to type in a new folder. We're going to call it hair. Okay, in this folder, we're going to take our props that we downloaded and just copy them over. Okay, you can simply drag and drop them if you want, and place them in that new folder. When we go to CrazyTalk Animator, you're going to see that under the props section within that template tab, you're going to see a new item here, a new folder, a new directory called Toon Titan, and it has subfolders. Here you can see the color folder. You can either toggle this to see it, or you can just double click on that. There's the hair, and these are all my hairstyles here. And that's pretty much how that's done.